Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore access to Robinhood crypto trading, full guide step by step clearly. To restore access to your Robinhood crypto trading account, begin by launching the Robinhood app on your device. Make sure you are connected to the internet. On the login screen, enter your email address associated with your Robinhood account. Press the Continue button. If you have forgotten your password, tap on the Forgot Password link below the password field. You will receive an email with instructions to reset your password. Check your email inbox for the password reset email from Robinhood. If you do not see it, check your spam or junk folder as well. Click on the link provided in the email to reset your password. Choose a strong, new password that you will remember. After successfully resetting your password, return to the app to log in with your new credentials. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, you will need to enter the verification code sent to your mobile device. Once logged in, navigate to the Settings menu located in the upper left corner of the screen. Select Account Details to verify that your account information is up to date. Check your linked bank account to ensure it is still active. If you experience any issues accessing your account, contact Robinhood support through the app. You can find the support option in the Settings menu under Help. Describe your issue to the support team. Be prepared to provide verification information for your identity. Wait for a response from the support team regarding your account access. Once your account is verified, you should regain access to crypto trading. Take the time to review any notifications or messages from Robinhood regarding your account. It's essential to stay informed about any changes or updates to trading conditions. Now you should be ready to resume trading on Robinhood. Make sure to secure your account with strong passwords and two-factor authentication for future safety. You're all set to start trading crypto again. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.